Welcome to the Algarve, Portugal's sunny southern coast, where cliffs are dramatic, the water is painfully pretty, and your sunscreen better be industrial strength. It has it all, from medieval towns to hidden beaches. This place is basically Europe's version of tropical paradise, but with more sardines and fewer coconuts. But before you pack your flip-flops and inflatable flamingo, let's find you a perfect beach. From spacious spots to play frisbee to not-so-secret Instagram hotspots. Today, we're counting down the top 5 beaches in the Algarve. And each one's got a different personality. I've done it. I've been there. Let's start on the edge of the world. Coming in at number 5. Praia dos Caneiros. Tucked between towering limestone cliffs, Praia dos Caneiros offers a perfect blend of raw nature and a touch of class. Even the seagulls seem fancier here. It's not the biggest beach, but it's undeniably one of the most picturesque. The water here is calm and the sand is soft. The beach has lifeguards, sunbeds, and there's a restaurant with sunset views that feel like a movie scene. Perfect place to pretend you own a yacht. Great for couples, relaxed days, and a glass of wine after a swim. During low tide, you can go to the second part of the beach. Nudists have more rights here, but during high season, everybody is welcome here. The most fit can climb down with a special rope if you struggle for privacy. Praia dos Caneiros isn't just a beach. It's a whole mood. Fewer crowds, a cliffside restaurant, and views that could cure a midlife crisis. A little break from the views. Tired of generic tours and all-inclusive resorts? Have a custom journey tailored to your unique interests, schedule, and budget, so you can actually experience the soul of a country, not just its hotel buffet. That's what I do. Get in touch, contacts in the description. Number 4, Praia do Beliche, as well known as Leg Day. Getting here means walking down a steep set of stairs, but once you're on the sand, it feels like you've discovered a hidden world. If you like your beaches a little wild, this one's for you. Near the southwestern tip of Europe, Beliche is popular with active and energetic ones. There's a lot of space to make your daily 10,000 steps. Less polished, more primal. That's Beliche. You can combine it with a visit to Sagres Fortress. Yeah, the name of the local beer has its history. Sagres Fortress isn't just a historic site, it's a vibe. Built in the 15th century, this place oozes legend. Panoramic views make you feel like you're standing at the edge of the world. It's equal parts history lesson and jaw-dropping moment. Visit in the morning or at sunset, unless you want to be roasted alive. At number 3, Praia de Albandeira. Small, secluded, stunning. This is a beach that feels like a secret. It's not far from the famous spots, but somehow it stays quiet. It has two parts. The left one goes under a bit earlier. Perfect for a peaceful swim, soaking in the silence, or starting your kayaking tour. This is the beach you come to when you want to get away from literally everything. People, noise, your responsibilities. I won't lie to you, probably during the high season it feels like trying to relax in an overcrowded elevator. But if you come early, it's pure pleasure. Moreover, Albandeira is best known for its surroundings. Look at these views and especially this dramatic sea arch, a natural wonder carved by time and tide. All the boat tours include visiting the spot from water, which also might be a good idea for you. It's the kind of place where you'll want to stay longer than you planned. Praia de Albandeira. It's small, it's charming, and it kind of feels like you're in a desktop wallpaper. Number 2, Praia da Marinha, the jewel of the Algarve. Praia da Marinha is a postcard come to life, and probably the most photographed beach in Portugal. Massive rock formations rise from the sea like sculptures. The water is impossibly clear, and from above, the view is simply iconic. Despite its fame, it still feels authentic. Whether you're swimming, exploring sea caves, or just lying in the sun, this beach delivers on every level. It's popular, yes, but for all the right reasons. Giant sea stacks, golden cliffs, water so clear it makes bottled water feel insecure. And again, what a hike. Just look at these views. Majestic and a little scary. Don't come too close to the edge. This is probably the highest viewpoint I've seen along the Algarve coast. And from here, it's easy to see why everyone's so obsessed with this area. And finally, number 1, Praia do Carvalho. This beach comes with a sense of adventure. To reach it, you again need some leg activity, but then you walk through a tunnel carved into the cliffside. Yes, a tunnel, through a rock. It's like Narnia, but with more SPF 50. And when you arrive, wow! Surrounded by golden walls of rock, with caves and viewpoints all around. Carvalho combines excitement with beauty. A true gem that rewards those who seek it out. It's got adventure, beauty, and a slight sense of danger. All the best things in life. You know it's a legit spot when you see kayak tour groups paddling by to check it out from the water. Locals sometimes jump from the cliffs into the sea. If you try it, just double check your life insurance first. From hidden coves to frisbee havens, dramatic cliffs to calm retreats, the beaches of the Algarve each tell a different story. That's the beauty of this place. There's a beach for everyone. Even if your beach goal is just eating pastel de nata while pretending to read a book. Let me know which one you'd hit first, or if I missed your favourite. Now go grab your towel, your flip-flops, and I emphasise, you need sunscreen. Your perfect beach is waiting.